Hey everyone, now I'll be showing you how you can use Gemini to visualize and make a particle. First, you go to here, Ask Gemini, and you paste this prompt that I have in the description. And actually I'm just gonna add one more line, which is make it controllable with button or mouse clicks mouse clicks, and press on enter. And just wait for it to generate the code. Okay, now the code's done and you have lines of codes here. And what you want to do is you copy the code. Okay, you copy it and you go to your notepad. Click on it. And actually, I'm just gonna new tab and paste the code here. And you go File, Save As. You can go to your desktop or whatever you like. I'm just gonna call it smoke particle HTML. Okay, now you guys. Okay, so now you can just search it, smoke particle HTML. Okay, so let's just try to click my mouse button with it. Okay, so it is working, but the color is black, so it's not really it's kind of hard to see. So let's just change that. I'm gonna go back to Google Gemini and type in make the smoke. Let's just say I don't know, like blue, and let's see. Okay, now I have the updated code that has the blue smoke. Now what you're gonna do is go to your notepad again and go to back to the smoke particle. You delete all of this and paste with a new one, and then you click on Control S or Command S to save, and then you can just reload this page. And now you see you have a blue smoke instead of a black one. So yeah, I guess that's all for today, guys. Now you know how to make a smoke particle visualizer in Gemini. Alright, thanks for watching everyone. If you have any comments or questions, you can just leave down below and I'll try to answer all of it. Yeah, thank you.